Hello and welcome to Loadium Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to convert a Postman collection to a JMeter script. First, go to your collection in Postman and choose the export option to get exported file. Then go to your Loadium account and go to Create Page. Click on the Convert to JMX option. Choose the file type as Postman JSON. Click on the Next and upload your file. After your file is converted, you can download the file or jump to running test on Loadium. You can now go to JMeter and open the converted file there. Now you have your Postman collection converted to a JMeter script. This is how you can convert a Postman collection to JMeter script. For more guides and information, you can check out our YouTube channel or visit loadium.com. Thanks for watching.